Welcome, my dear students. In this video, we will solve a few problems around polynomials. So please do check my earlier videos to understand these problems properly. So presently, we are working. We have completed whatever's completed is in the checkbox here. We have finished seeing the basics. We have solved the problem for geometric meaning, and now we are here solving the problem for zeros of a polynomial and its coefficients. In case you directly landed to this video, you may need to check on video 7, 0 of a polynomial and 0 of a quadratic equation in order to understand the problems of this video. So I told you quadratic polynomial is nothing where they give you two zeros, that is alpha and beta. Quadratic polynomial will have two zeros, alpha and beta. Within that alpha and beta, questions will be framed around in different patterns. We can see a few patterns. Instead of type 1, maybe pattern was the right word to use. So pattern 1, they give you one of the 0 and find the other 0. So the question will have a polynomial equation and either alpha or beta, and you need to find the other. So let us consider the example problem. The polynomial equation is x square minus 7x plus 5, and one of the zeros is 5 and the other is, these are the four options which you get along with the question. So the polynomial is x square minus 7x plus 10. Let me assume one of the zeros, alpha, is 5 and need to find out the value of beta. Okay. So from the previous videos, you know the formula for sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. In this problem, 1 minute. It's like I pressed the wrong button. 1 minute. In this problem, b is equal to minus 7, a is equal to 1. Okay. So minus b by a is minus 7 divided by 1, which is equal to 7. So substituting, now you need to substitute this value of 7 in the formula alpha plus beta is equal to 7. You know from the polynomial equation you have found alpha plus beta is equal to 7, and one of the zeros is 5. So 5 plus beta is equal to 7, and you find the value of beta as 2. So that is answer. This is the right answer. There is one way to validate this answer also. So it's always better to validate, right? So given you have this polynomial, now you know both the zeros, alpha you know, beta you know, you are only going to find out whether this value of beta 2 is correct or not. So earlier, to solve this problem, you use the sum formula, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Now let us use the product formula to verify the answer. Product formula, now you know both the alpha and beta. So alpha beta is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10. From the polynomial equation, the product of the zeros is c by a, where c is equal to 10, a is equal to 1. C by a is 10. So product matches. So your answer of beta is equal to 2 is correct. So now let me move to other pattern. The question will give you the sum and product, that is they will give the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. You need to fit the quadratic polynomial. So the example what we consider is, they have given the sum as 0, alpha plus beta is 3 and alpha beta is 10. So your values are alpha plus beta is equal to 3 and alpha beta is equal to minus 10. Please note it's a minus is here, minus 10. And in our earlier videos, we saw the formula for a quadratic equation is x square minus open brackets alpha plus beta, that is sum of the zeros into x plus product of zeros in the place of the coefficient. So it's just a substitution. You need to be careful of the negative and the positive signs. So here you already have a negative, so it will become x square minus 3x. This 3 comes here, minus 3x. Then this minus 10 comes over here. So x square minus 3x minus 10. It's a very straightforward. You just need to substitute the values. Then now we'll see pattern 3. They will give you value of two zeros. They'll give you alpha as well as beta, and you need to fit the quadratic polynomial. This is just an extension of the previous pattern, whatever you saw. Knowing the value of alpha beta, you need to find out the sum and product. So here in this problem we have one of the zeros as 4 and the other zero as minus 3. So alpha is 4, beta is minus 3. Now sum of the zeros, you add alpha plus beta is equal to 1, and product 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. So you have now got the values of sum as well as product. You need to fit into the quadratic equation standard format. So x square minus of alpha plus beta 1 plus alpha beta, which is nothing but minus 12. So that goes here. So your answer is x square minus x minus 12. So in the next video, we will go through a few more couple of patterns and possibly board exams. Till then, bye. Thank you.